Hello guys, this is the Volume and Curl Mascara from Sassy Lady. This mascara is the most dramatic lashes long wearing with a glossy and black formula. You will flaunt luxurious silky lashes that won't smudge, clump, or dry out. You've achieved your most intense, voluminous, curling, waterproof, sweat-proof wear lashes possible. So, may freebie silang ganon. And then, yeah, mag-eyelash curler muna tayo before putting some eyelash mascara. Kasi mas siya, mas effective, mas maganda. And then, ayan, start at the base of your lashes and slowly drag the wand upward in a zigzag motion. Ginamit ko yung freebies nila na ganyan kasi tinry ko lang siya if maganda ba yung result, and maganda naman siya guys. Very long yung lashes ko. O, diba pak? Ang ganda. Oh my god. Grab yours now. Link on my bio. O, ganyan guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda ng eyelash ko. This is my first time na having a long eyelash. Grabe, ang ganda. I love it. Grab yours now. Link on my bio again.